We are consistently sending at least 10 to 15 candidates weekly to the Department of Defense for them to vet and take on from there. Knowing that they have an extra layer of support through AI Futures is almost like a relief for them.
These are high quality, very intelligent, passionate students. The fact that they took the time to reach out to us, they're going to want to be there. They're going to want to get their hands dirty and do whatever they can to be a part of the project as a whole.
The response has been really, really good. The numbers overall have just grown exponentially.
If I had known that this was available whenever I was going through college, I think my future would have been a lot different. Students are at an advantage to being able to talk to experts on our team to figure out what's out there and have someone essentially walk them through the process together.
You have a whole team behind you working to try to help you be successful. Exposure, expansion, opportunity. That's what we're trying to do here.